Hey everyone, welcome to Generative AI, the future of intelligence. In this presentation, we will explore how foundational AI models are transforming creativity, enterprise workflow, and human potentials. So that's exactly is generative AI. So what that is mean? So unlike traditional AI that is simple, analyze or categorize using data, generative AI generates entirely new content. It's learned complex mathematical pattern from massive unstructured dataset, allowing it to generate high a high type of data like text, image, audio, video, and code through the simple natural language prompts. At the core, generative AI relies on three key concepts. The first is pre-training on trillions of tokens to build foundational context. Second is transform architects using self-attention mechanism to understand deep relationship in sequence, and the third is fine-tuning through human feedback to deliver accurate aligned response. In the modern in the modern generative network are no longer limited to a single format. Today, foundation models can simultaneously process text prompt, generate photorealistic image, interrupt audio waveforms, and produce synthetic video. Enable fluid human-like reason across all sensory mediums. So the market raised generative AI that projection reaching $1.3 trillion by 2032 as enterprise adoption expanded. The Fortune 500 export up to 40% of reduction in the routine task completion time. In the IT industry also we are seeing in the real world, we are seeing impact across every major industry in healthcare. AI accelerates drug discovery in software development. It auto generates codes and tests out. In creative industry, it enables rapid visual prototype while an autonomous agent resolve complex customer support query 24 by 7. Three main model category power these applications, that is large language model LLM designed for reasoning and text synthetic, diffusion model built for hyper-realistic image and video generation, and the autonomous agent that leverage API execute complex business workflow independently. Looking at the departmental adoption, software engineering leads the charge with 85% adoption rate, marketing and content creation allow closely 78%, customer service 64%, and product strategy 52%. With rapid growth comes the need to be a strong governance. Organize are reducing hallucinations with retrieval augmentation generation, that is RAG, managing intellectual property rights, mitigating bias under a strict regulatory framework, and deploying cryptographic watermarking to prevent deepfakes. Tracing its evolution, Gain introduced earlier image synthesis in 2014, followed by Google landmark transport paper in 2017. The launch of ChatGPT in 2022 sparked public adoption, bringing us today era of agentic AI adoption in autonomous multi-steps executions. The next fortune belongs to agentic workflow and embodies AI. Tomorrow, models will beyond static prompts to reason independently, interact with physical environments, and work directly alongside human professionals. Thank you for the watching. If you have any question through the features of generative AI, drop them in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.